Secondary colors are made of the primary colors. For example, the green is made of black and yellow is the lighter part. So we can make the green lighter with yellow. We can also get our green lighter with white. But what will happen here? Our green will get desaturated. We will get a grayer green. When we want a lighter green, we have to decide saturated or desaturated. The possibility to make our gray darker is by adding black. If we want an orange lighter and saturated, we will add yellow. And we can also make it lighter with white. An orange lighter but desaturated. We can make it darker with red, deep and saturated, or we can make it darker with black and get a desaturated orange. We can call it brown. Let's go to the violets. We can make this color lighter with red as well as with white. We have the same as with the green, we can only make it darker with black.